Hi everyone, Jeff Appleby here from Oakland Realty. It is December 2023. We've got your latest market update. I'm going to share a little bit of what's happening in the market, and then I'm going to talk about pricing, because pricing is really a little more nuanced than we think. So I'm going to start off with a quote from Andrew List, the Director of Economics at the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver. I generally agree with this quote. You probably won't find Cyber Monday discounts, but prices have edged lower by a few percent since the summer. And with most economists expecting mortgage rates to fall modestly by 2024 or in 2024, market conditions for buyers are arguably the most favorable we've seen in some time in our market. So sales were 33% below the 10-year average for November, and inventory is up just above the 10-year average. So it has been a good time for buyers and people looking to tread into this market. If they can qualify for a mortgage, they have been getting discounts compared to what we've seen in the last couple of years. But what I did want to talk about is pricing. So statistically, the MLS benchmark price across the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, we've seen prices come back 1% in October and about 3.5% since May or June. And I think the reality is a little different than that. So the sample size was much smaller in November than May. 50% of the sales happened. And it seems like the more desirable homes are moving and still seeing competition, and a lot of the other stuff is sitting. On top of that, home flippers aren't buying the sort of dumpier stuff. So I think those factors are skewing the market a little bit. So here's what I think is really happening. I think prices, realistically, if you're comparing apples to apples in a building or on a street, you're probably seeing a bit more of a discount, maybe 4 to 9%. Prices have come back a little bit more. That's a little bit more pronounced in condos than in detached. Detached seems to be holding on quite well. There's just less supply. And then there's a lot of opportunity out there. Like Andrew List said, there is homes that are selling well, but there's people that need to sell, and there's homes that aren't listed properly, and there are pretty big discounts that are happening out there as well. So whether you're looking to just buy or you're looking to move up, people looking to move up, if you have a good strategy, if you list your home properly, do some smart updates, you can do well, and then there's value to be bought out there. So there's a lot of people making a lot of money in this market. Let me know if you want to talk about any of that stuff. It is super interesting, and I think that there's great opportunity now. Have a great day. Bye.